Hey everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video I will show you how you can backup Steam games. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just click here to library, and when you're in your library, I will just have the game here. Right click on it, go to properties, lockup files, and you're gonna see right here backup game files. Okay, the game is going to update, but this is how you can do it. I think I uninstall every single game here, but this is how you can simply do it. Just right click on it. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So right click, we show it, right click, properties, local files, and backup game files. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, you can support and subscribe. Thank you everybody. Have a great day and goodbye.